All right, today we're putting our 35 1250s on the back. Ain't had them on for a while, or never had them on. We had to put spacers on to get the back end to stick out further than the, or stick out as much as the front. I got my buddy helping me, or doing it all, grandson. Gonna be able to do it? Need help?
All of them are lined up except one. I almost got it.
Think you can get it? I can set a tripod up here.
I can get it all lined up except one.
Them buggers are heavy. Okay, now he's getting ready to put the lug nuts on. Trying to put some finishing touches up on this truck. Gonna get them?
Huh?
You got them, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can use that little red impact with the chrome socket on those to just snug them up a little.
Alright.
As soon as you get them on started. Yeah, this truck, we've had it up for sale, but now I'll take it back off because nobody wants to pay what you got in them, or nobody wants to pay what you want for them. Then nobody don't even want to pay what you got in them. So I don't know. I'll keep it. I've had it 32 years. I'll keep it before I lose much on it. People asking 30, 40, 50 and more for these trucks now. So we just try to keep her and keep on doing some work too. I'm ordered bumpers, new bumpers front and back, forward, all the chrome. Still got to fix the bed. I'm gonna repaint the whole truck if I keep on keeping it. I'm gonna paint the whole truck. But, it runs so much better. I've had this truck, like I say, for 32 years. Always had a carburetor on it. Never, ever has. Well, when I first got it, it was 6 years old, but it run good then. Since all this different gas has come along, it has carburetor never would run right. End up buying new carburetors at all that low PSI on them. Had to run regulators. They never worked. So I put a 5.3 LS in it. I've never had another minute's trouble out of it. But that's good.
All right. Where's the socket? Hang on.
And the torque on the 100, remember to turn it up. And I'm gonna go sit down. About 19. Go to 0. Right, now just let her down and we'll clean them wheels and tires up, and that should be it. And I'm gonna fire this 5.3 up and let you listen to it. Whole thing runs good. We don't have tailpipes on it, but yet. We still got a lot to do. We still got to fix the bed, different little things like that. Alrighty, we'll get off. Alright, today we're working on the S10 again. We finally got parts. We got our bedside panels. We're going to cut these out and put the other ones in. What I did was find out how much I need, cut it out, set it up here, marked it off, and now I'm cutting that out. Okay, we went in here, we cut out what we need, what we can use, what ain't bad, what is bad. We're gonna go ahead and put this in, and we're gonna have to go back and fix some of these other places. The center fender, I'm gonna fix it after I get the piece in, so I can tell how much metal I need. Where it's all rusted out, you can't tell, so I'll go back and may end up just buying that piece. I don't know yet. We can always get it out. It ain't gonna be hard to get out. Okay, let's see what we got now. We're gonna be setting this up in half, like that. We got some little clamps that we can clamp her down with. Like right there. There you go. Taking that mark because we're gonna have to kind of fold that back a little bit to match this contour here. So we'll see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna go get the pliers. Okay, we got her tacked in. Still got to fix this up here. I went ahead, like I said, I was gonna put this in. I just got it tacked in. I still got to weld it up. I found some places down here that's bad. I got to fix. Made this piece, this lower section right here. Still got to tack it all in. You know, weld it all up. Let's see that. Yeah, that pretty much does it. I guess now we'll go back and weld everything up. Then we'll bond over up, grind all that down, put primer on her. Then I guess she'll be ready to put all the lower section back on. But that's what we got right now. I guess we'll finish up now. Kind of getting late in the evening. We'll just go ahead and start back on this another day. Stay tuned if you want to see more of it. We got a few little things more we got to do to it, and we'll start on the other side. This was the worst side. That side, well, this side's got bigger holes, but I don't think the lip is as bad as the other one was. So maybe it'll go a little quicker. May not have to take the bottom parts off of this where it's not rusted out down through here, all the way down in there. I may not have to take them bottom parts out. Well, we'll see. Stay tuned, and we'll see what happens with this thing.